Hello friends and welcome to today's video. Okay, in this video I am going to show you how you can create an application using more than one screen. Okay, so using more than one screen, how you can create. So if you are not familiar with MIT App Inventor, what you have to do is please do watch my video, my previous video. Okay, in that I am showing you how you can create the first application. And if you have watched the part 1, do watch the part 2 as well. Okay, so here what we are going to do is let's take a button. Okay, when you click this button, it should open another screen. Okay, let's give here like open me. Okay, then it will be moving to the next screen. Okay, if you click on this, okay, that is what we are going to do. Okay, you can design it according to your choice. I am going to give a color, a background color. This is not visible, right? Okay, now let's change the background color of the screen. Okay, let's move it to the center. So all these in detail I am explaining in the last video. Okay, so now what should happen? If you click on the open me, it should be moving on to the next screen, right? So for that, go to blocks. Let's take add screen and give screen 2. Okay. So now we have added a screen. Here in the blocks, you can see that it has already moved to screen 2. Right, but in screen 1 itself we have to give a code in such a way that it should be moving to screen 2. Okay, so let's click like when button 1 is clicked, go to control, scroll down and you can see like open another screen name, right? Just place it here. Okay, so now you have to give to which screen it should be moving. Okay, so now go to text, scroll up and here you can see something like text name. Okay, now let's give it to be screen 2. So once when you're giving the screen name, always be careful. It should be the same name that you have given here. Okay, this is screen 2, this is screen 2. The spelling is correct, right? So now let's go to the designer block and let's take screen 2. Now what should happen in screen 2? If you are shaking the screen 2, then it should be saying like stop shaking me, okay, from the screen 2. So I gave a background color for screen 2. If you want to design it like you can do that. Let's take a label, drag it and drop it. Let's give the text like welcome to screen, welcome to my app. Okay, now let's take another thing. Let's give like shake me harder. Okay, so now let's keep this. Okay, so now let's make it bolder. Let's give font bold. Okay, text alignment is left. Let's give it to be center. Okay, so now we have given the label. So whatever is the label you can give. Now what should happen? You have to shake it. Shaking means you need a sensor, right? What is a sensor? A sensor means it senses something, okay? And then gives you an answer. So now what is it going to sense? It is going to sense the motion, okay? So let's give like accelerometer sensor. Just drag it, drop it here. Okay, so now as it is a non-visible component, you can see that it is just below here. Okay, because accelerometer sensor is going to what it's going to understand the change in your phone screen. Okay, So now let's go to blocks and let's give like when accelerometer sensor 1 is shaking, what should happen? It should be saying, right? Like stop shaking me. So in order for it to say what we need, we actually need a text to speech, right? So let's go to designer, take the text to speech and drag and drop. Okay, I just forgot about it. That's why I came right now. Again, I am doing. Okay, as this also is the non-visible component you can see here below. Okay, so now let's go to blocks. Let's go to text to speech. Give call text to speech. Go to text and take the text and let's give like stop, stop shaking me and subscribe coding beauty. Okay, so now your application is ready. So do you remember what we gave in the first one? In the first screen we gave like if the button 1 is clicked, it should be going to the screen 2, and in the screen 2 what will we do? If the accelerometer sensor is shaking, it should be calling like text to speech and give like stop shaking me and subscribe to coding duty. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe now itself. Okay. I hope this video was clear to you. You can just try to connect it to the MIT AI2 companion and then just see how it works. Okay. If it works correctly, please do give me a feedback. And if you have any errors or any doubts, please ask me through my comment box. Okay. So see you in the next video with some other new apps. Okay. Bye students, and see you in the next video with the new app. Bye.